Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagem. You can hear that there's a sound here. So I picked up something from Versace Jeans Couture, which is the sister label to Versace. I got this when I was in South Africa. So I want to show you what I picked up. So without further ado, let me show you. They had run out of like packaging, like the Versace Jeans Couture packaging. So they put it in this, like, you know, this, whatever this is called, it's like paper, and then they put it in a bag, and they did apologize for not having the packaging, but I was like, it's okay, don't worry about it. So yeah, let me open it up and show you what I picked up. And I got this absolutely beautiful t-shirt from Versace Jeans Couture. So let me show you. I love this t-shirt so much. This t-shirt is beautiful. So you see here we have the beautiful labels that says Versace Jeans Couture. This is like the first, it's really like high-end. You can feel like it's high-end. And then it says verifies the verify the authenticity of this item on versace.certilogo.com. That's kind of cool. And it says here, Versace is a registered trademark by Gianni Versace SPA. And then here it says, they're just like, it says, oh, this is interesting, this is cute. It says, the look of this garment is a consequence of the deliberately random placement of all-over graphic printing. Any graphic differences enhance the uniqueness of the product. That's kind of cool. All right, so let me show you my beautiful t-shirt from Versace Jeans Couture. So I will insert clips like throughout the video so you can see it much better, as I do feel like I think that you will see it much better with just like pictures, just because the spotlight, the ring light is so strong. But I love this so much. So this is my new t-shirt. Now let me talk you through this t-shirt, because this t-shirt itself is a really interesting purchase. We walked into the Versace Jeans Couture boutique in the Mall of Africa in Johannesburg, and this is so beautiful. Like the detail is so gorgeous. Gosh, I'm trying to like focus, but the detail, absolutely stunning. Okay, so we walked in there, and I did see this, but they also had a version of this in white. Now this is actually a men's part of the menswear collection. If I put it on here, you can see how it looks. This is actually from the menswear collection, because it's essentially a like unisex boutique. So you have men's and women's wear together, and then you have like footwear and other accessories. And he was the first time it was like a female SA, because we went twice in the day, and then the second time it was a male SA. And then I was like, oh, do you have women's wear? He was showing me the women's stuff, but a lot of it wasn't in my size. I'm gonna put my sizing up here on the screen. I use UK sizing, that's what I understand, but I'll put my sizes up on the screen because I know I have an international audience, so you can understand what my body size is. I would consider myself as having just an hourglass figure and curvy, but I wear like high street you know, clothing a lot of the time. I do have like Ralph Lauren polos, but that's like the extent of my like luxury ready to wear. So this is like my second like kind of foray and kind of journey into luxury ready to wear by purchasing this t-shirt. Now, like I said, this is from the men's line. Normally, I'm not really a fan of wearing men's clothing. I just don't think it's my personal style. My style is very much like heels, pink, wavy hair, you know, like corsets and your waist looking really sucked in. It's just not for me. However, I saw this, I was like, wow, I love this. Now the clothing on the women's portion of the boutique really just wasn't in my size. So like I said, I would have put my size up on the screen, but let me just tell you what my size is at the moment, because I am working out, I am in the gym, I have lost a little bit of weight as well. I wear a UK 14 on my bottom half, so for trousers and skirts I wear UK 14, and then my top half is obviously here, okay, I tend to wear a UK 10 to 12, but I would just say like a UK 12. Sometimes, you know, like when you're on a high street website, sometimes it will say 10 to 12, 12 to 14. I would always choose the 10 to 12 for the tops, like t-shirts and blouses like this, but pretty much UK 12 on the top half and then a UK 14 on the bottom half, right? So he just didn't have like my sizes. He was like, "Oh, your sizes are popular. They've already sold out." There were some other smaller sizes, and I have a big bust as well, so I just knew I wasn't gonna be able to fit my bust into those polos. And they were so cute. There's some super cute ones. There were even ones that had a blue colorway that I loved and I thought was absolutely gorgeous, and I was like, it's just not gonna happen. They had this beautiful like denim jumpsuit as well, like a Versace Jeans Couture denim jumpsuit. They had prints, they had, oh my god, they just had so many beautiful things in that. Then I was like, you know what, I need to go away, I need to think about it. So we go, and then, by the way, Versace Jeans Couture is alongside Emporio Armani, Hugo Boss. It's close to Michael Kors. So it's around a bunch of other, like, you know, luxury brands as well that are on the more affordable end. And yeah, you know, I was like, okay, let me just think about it. So we left, kept thinking about it. I was like, you know, I need to go back and get that t-shirt, you know? I need to go back and get that t-shirt. And I'm very much that kind of person where I like to think about things. I'm not an impulse shopper. I don't like returning things. I like thinking through purchases. So went back, and then I told him, I said, you know what, let me see the menswear. Let me just try it on. Because you can just try it on, and then when you try it on, you pretty much know that, you know, it's going to work out for you, or if it's not going to work out. So they have a fitting room there. It is like a unisex, it's a unisex fitting room. There were no other clients who were trying on clothes at the time. There were a bunch of other clients that walked in. They were just looking around, like when I was talking to him, and one of them was really looking at me. She was a woman. She was looking at me, like figuring out, like, should I take it? Should I not take it? You know. And sometimes I feel like you do that because you're like, ooh, you're trying to see, like, ooh, someone's picking up a garment here or a t-shirt. Like, maybe I should get one. So then I tried it on. And yeah, it fits really nice. I'm gonna go to my tailor though, because here, like literally I can even pinpoint exactly where. I love the tag so much. Don't worry, I'm taking the tags off, okay, because you'll be seeing me wear this in videos. Here, it sticks out just a little bit. So I'm just going to have to get it a little bit altered, but it's not really a big deal. It's like not something that you would like notice. You'd only notice this if you like sit there and like look, but it completely fits and it's fine. I got this in a large on the menswear side, but like I said, I'm a UK 12 on my top half at ASOS, and I'm a UK 14 at ASOS. So that's just to give you an idea. For sweatshirts at Zara, I wear like a medium, if that makes sense. Like, because you know I have those like really colorful pops of color sweatshirts that I got from Zara when I was in Paris, and those are in a medium. Okay, so here is my very beautiful Versace Jeans Couture. I hope that this like looks good. I'm just going to show it here on the screen so you can see it. It's beautiful. I tried it on, and Edward was like, it looks really good on you. I was like, thanks. But I just love the print so much. This is going to look really nice with like black. So like black trousers, a black denim skirt, black leggings, black leather skirt, anything black leather. So like black leather skirts or black leather trousers look really good. Black jeans and all the rest of it, and all black everything outfit. This will look absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So this is my new Versace Jeans Couture t-shirt. This is my first ready-to-wear piece from the Versace house. So I want to kind of explain, because I think that there is some confusion about Versace's like this sister brand. So essentially it's a sister brand. You know the way you have Prada and then you have Miu Miu. It's exactly the same. You have Versace, then you have Versace Jeans Couture. Versace Jeans Couture was launched in 1988 by Donatella and Gianni. It was like their project together, essentially, and it's part of the Versace brand, and you can purchase it on the Versace website. So you know sometimes people use that word like diffusion label. It's not a diffusion label. I don't think that's the right phrase. This is a sister brand. It's the sister brand to Versace. So you can get Versace Jeans Couture at the Mall of Africa boutique, which is in this area called Midrand in Johannesburg. And then you have Versace's flagship in Sandton City in Johannesburg, where you can get the, you know, the really famous platforms everyone's obsessed with, the Medusas and other bits and bobs. I love this so much. I can't wait to wear it. I wanted to just show you guys first, but I can't wait to wear this beauty. I love this so much. It is so gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, let me put this thing down because I'm just loving it way too much. So the receipt, I remember packing the receipt and then forgetting basically where I put it, but this was actually an item that was on sale. The original retail price was 4,750 Rand, and the price that it was sold to me at was 3,895 Rand, which is about, I think that's about $240, like, give or take. So I mean, it's priced the way a lot of ready-to-wear t-shirts are priced. I mean, Balenciaga have t-shirts that are just like an extra $100 or €100 more than that. So I would put it in the same group as that, basically, because they've got some ready-to-wear t-shirts and pieces that I've been loving as well. I can't stop touching it. I'm sorry, I just can't. I want to stop looking at it and touching it. I can't. Look at the label. Label is so much fun, you know? I just love it. Sorry, this sound is the crinkling of the papers. Please just ignore that. I love this. I just can't stop, honey. Like, I can't stop looking at the prints. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it just keeps saying Versace Jeans Couture, Versace Jeans Couture. Okay, let me put this down now because I just want to keep touching it. I can't wait to wear it. So you're going to see me wearing it very soon. Probably wear it in a video this week. So I wanted to kind of chat to you guys about my philosophy when it pertains to luxury ready-to-wear and expensive clothing like this. First of all, let me just say, I don't have the same feeling that many people have when it pertains to luxury clothing. A lot of people kind of get on their soapbox about high street fashion. Oh, don't buy from the high street, this and this and this. I'm not really like that. Most of you know that. The actual original genesis of this channel was I was meant to show the high street and luxury together, and then I realized most of you just prefer if I talk about luxury, and that's fine because I love luxury too. But I think the high street has its place and fast fashion has its place, and I have no qualms. I love fast fashion, honey. If you follow my TikTok, I posted Zara shopping vlogs, and those were very successful and very popular. People love seeing them. I like H&M, went to H&M, picked up some bits there. I love ASOS as well. All of them have their value because they provide clothing to people who want to purchase clothing. So they do have value. Regardless of whether you think they're not good enough, they do have value. However, luxury ready-to-wear, I think, also has its place, and I'm really glad that I picked this Versace t-shirt to kind of continue my prêt-à-porter journey because, and like I said, even though it's part of the sister label Versace Jeans Couture, it's a unique piece, it stands out. Not everyone's going to have this t-shirt, and that is something that I really like about luxury ready-to-wear, particularly when you get a graphic print or a logo piece or a logomania piece. Not everyone is going to have that. The pricing is also quite prohibitive for a lot of people. You know, when I bought this and I told my husband how much it was, he was like, what? For a t-shirt? You know, when you tell someone, you know, you spent almost $300 on a t-shirt, some people are going to be like, whoa, you know, like, you spend, you know, 4,000 South African Rand on a t-shirt. Like, some people will be confused by that. So it's not something that every single person is going to have. Also, I think in Versace's case, you know, particularly with this one here, like the fact that it is part of the sister brand, it's just a specific, it's a very specific aesthetic. It is not everyone's cup of tea. Many people don't like it. One of the biggest criticisms and critiques that Versace unfairly gets, in my opinion, is that the brand is too loud, it's too bright. People say stuff like this is tacky. First of all, if you think that this is tacky, you don't actually, no disrespect, honey, you don't understand what they're trying to do. They have a perspective and they have their point of view. Versace's always been about the Barocco print and prints and the way Gianni and Donatella grew up and the types of things that they were inspired by. These prints are always going to be part of what the brand is. Versace is not a minimalistic brand, and we don't want her to be a minimalistic brand. She should be herself. And I feel like a lot of the chatter about like these logo pieces, and I wouldn't even really call this like a logo piece. This is more of like it's like more of like a print piece, because only if you really look up close you can see it says Versace Jeans Couture, Versace Jeans Couture. I think a lot of people, it's like trendy right now to kind of put down logo pieces. Like people like making assumptions about your money if you wear a logo piece. People think that you're a parvenu, people think you're broke, people think you're poor, people think you're trying to impress other people by wearing logos. I mean, to be completely honest, unless you are into luxury fashion, you watch this channel, how many people like who are outside of luxury know about Versace Jeans Couture? Not that many people are going to know about Versace Jeans Couture. People are going to see Versace and be like, oh, that's part of the Versace brand. And I was even explaining to Edwin, my husband, like what Versace Jeans Couture is. So I was telling him about, you have Versace Jeans Couture, then you have Versace, the same way you have Miu Miu and you have Prada. And he's like, that's really confusing. It's just Versace to me. So to most people, this would just be Versace. To those of you watching, of course, we know that there is a distinction and that's fine. But at the end of the day, it's the sister brand that's under the Versace umbrella. So I think that let's be fun with fashion. Let's not take fashion too seriously. I don't do capsule wardrobes. I want to always look fresh and different. I want to be inspired and look fresh and different. I don't want to feel like I have to wear a certain wardrobe for a certain season. Another thing is our weather here is always hot and warm. So I need things that are tropical and things that are breathable. I know you're like, this is black, you're going to be so hot during the day. Not really. The quality is absolutely fantastic. I mean, the quality of the fabric itself is absolutely fantastic. I must say, I really, really like just the fabric itself. I mean, it's cotton. It's really, really good. So even though it's black, this is nice. You know, I can wear it at night. I can wear it when we're going, you know, to all kinds of places. Frankly, during the day, I can wear it because I'm always driving. I'm always in AC anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. At least for me, anyway. I mean, I don't know about other people. And yeah, there's like there are references here as well. So I think that luxury ready-to-wear has its place, but as long as you know like why you are purchasing luxury ready-to-wear, you need to know why. I think that for me, the why for me is very simple, and I'm going to tell you why. It makes sense to mix luxury ready-to-wear and the high street together because I feel like that's just more realistic and more fresh for me. I wouldn't wear like a head-to-toe ready-to-wear piece every single day because, like I said, I like the high street. ASOS and Zara, they don't like repeat styles. So if you see something at Zara, it's not going to come back. And believe it or not, they don't really do that many dupes anymore, particularly ASOS and Zara together. They are doing a lot of their own original designs. So I love the idea of mixing like a luxury ready-to-wear piece like this Versace Jeans Couture t-shirt with something from Zara, something from ASOS, something from H&M, something that's made locally, maybe by my tailor. I just like having just a different take on fashion. I'm not trying to like influence anyone to think like me. I'm just telling you my approach. So when it pertains to luxury ready-to-wear, I'm really looking for t-shirts, I'm looking for blouses, I'm looking for jumpers. That's really kind of what I'm looking for. I'm curvy, so in terms of like trousers, I don't know like what would fit me. I would love to go back, and I probably am going back very soon because I do have the Paris trip that's coming, but I think I'm going to need to go back to Johannesburg before then because I had such a great time. I'd love to try on some Gucci ready-to-wear. I think that's what I'd like to try on next, and maybe try on some of the ready-to-wear from the main Versace brand. But I love the things I saw at Versace Jeans Couture. It's just super fun and vibrant. I'd love to know what you think about this Versace Jeans Couture unboxing. What do you think of it? Are you interested? You can, by the way, you can get everything from Versace Jeans Couture is available on Versace's website, so you can just go and purchase it there. I'd love to know what you guys think about everything, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join my Facebook group below. It's so much fun. And also make sure that you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'd love to see you there. This is part 1 of my Versace Jeans Couture unboxing. I have part 2. I think part 2 is coming up tomorrow, so make sure that you're fully subscribed and you hit notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.